only got 11% left on my SD card. What's going on, world? It's your man Fat Caesar, Seasallauto LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. Back out here in the sticks again. I got to pick up a truck for a gentleman. I ain't got very much memory left on my SD card. We're gonna make it work, and one way or another, get this thing recorded. I'll see y'all right after the intro. That's the truck right here. See what we can do. Now I know I won't have enough memory to be able to get the whole thing, but we'll make it work one way or another. We'll make it work. Oh shit. I wasn't expecting that. I'm gonna. Is it stuck on that? Is it down on that side? Just that fast.
Kind of soft. Yeah,
Oh,
probably pretty heavy.
yeah, a few thousand. All right.
If you want, just go up and come.
Well, I was gonna back. I mean, even here is okay. It's harder ground. I guess I should have realized that. So
Yeah.
Okay.
I know this part right here.
that's hard. Just because everybody was there, I didn't want to.
Oh yeah.
Gotcha. I got you. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna get unstuck. Well, day in the life. I might not. I'm probably not gonna be able to catch this whole thing. All it takes, man, 2 seconds. 2 seconds. What I'm gonna do, first I'm gonna get unstuck, and then I'll come back to y'all. All right, I got 51 seconds left on this SD card. For context, I wanna let y'all know how I got unstuck without having to move my bed. The guy that was in front of me, I thought he was gonna move his truck and pull me up, but he didn't. For some reason, he moved it and parked it. So I put my truck in reverse, it's manual, reverse, threw it in first, gassed it, threw it in reverse, gassed it, and basically used that back and forth method to rock myself out. I'm gonna take this call. Y'all have a good one. Catch y'all on the other side. Just want to put that out there. Well, you missed the action, but I got unstuck. It don't take very much. Well, I guess I did have enough to do it. I'll go ahead and get this thing up, and I'll get one up, and then go ahead and fill the camera from there. It's a nice truck. I done tried to buy a ticket. I love these things. Just like the 4-wheel drive thing, ain't nothing like a heavy Chevy. go ahead and bore y'all with the rest of this. Let me go strap this thing down. Try to convince this guy to sell it to me. Thank y'all for watching, man. Like, share, subscribe, and any questions, concerns, hit your man back up. Leave a comment down below. Until next time, mi gente, Mundo beneficio siempre. Peace.